right, we have an exclusive interaction with Harbhajan Singh, former Indian cricketer, also parliamentarian, who spoke to Republic Sport Fit. Harbhajan on Republic, speaking on the Republic Sport Fit, which is our sub-brand for anything sport on republicworld.com. And he's spoken on the Champions Trophy controversy. Many have been debating whether India should go to Pakistan at all, and why should we go to Pakistan? It's not a safe country after all. Pakistan, on its part, has been forced to accept a hybrid model wherein the tournament itself will be held in Pakistan, but all India games will be in Dubai, in UAE. Let's listen in. Here's what Harbhajan Singh said.
What's your take on Champions Trophy? Is Pakistan not agreeing on the hybrid model?
Well, I think एग्री कर जाएंगे. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि वो एग्री नहीं करेंगे. बट क्रिकेट में देखिए, इंडिया पाकिस्तान के मैचेस वैसे ही नहीं होते हैं, तो इसमें थोड़ा सा ईगो को साइड रख के क्रिकेट को आगे बढ़ने देना चाहिए. हाइब्रिड मॉडल पे खेलिए, क्रिकेट जो है वो आगे बढ़े.
Champions Trophy. Is Pakistan not agreeing on the hybrid model?
Well, I think एग्री कर जाएंगे. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि वो एग्री नहीं करेंगे. बट क्रिकेट में देखिए, इंडिया पाकिस्तान के मैचेस वैसे ही नहीं होते हैं, तो इसमें थोड़ा सा ईगो को साइड रख के क्रिकेट को आगे बढ़ने देना चाहिए. हाइब्रिड मॉडल पे खेलिए, क्रिकेट जो है वो आगे बढ़े.
Rakshita is joining me live from the newsroom. Rakshita, we are hearing that Pakistan has agreed, of course. I mean, we all knew it. We've been debating it for several months that it's not going to be held in Pakistan. But for some reason, they decided to, dig their heels in vain. It will be held in the UAE, at least the hybrid game, in a hybrid format. Has there been any official communication on that, Rakshita?
Official commitment, official announcement made yet, but of course everybody knows that there is no option for Pakistan but to succumb, surrender and bow down to this demand of the BCCI, that there cannot be any Champions Trophy without India. That ICC also knows very well, and that is what has happened. PCB now is trying to put in trying to float such stories via its media in Pakistan, saying that it wants a fusion formula, just playing into nomenclature. So hybrid is something that it is not wanting to maybe accept. So it's saying that we want a fusion model in future. We will not come to India whenever India hosts an ICC tournament, to which India is not going to, put any sort of written agreement to. It is not going to give any written guarantee, as PCB is trying to flex at least what it is floating around in the media, in Pakistan local media. Having said that, yes, there is no official announcement yet. The broadcasters meeting is also pending, so there are a lot of issues to be sorted out. Many issues have to be sorted out, and also not to forget that UAE ambassador to India a short while back has also said that both India and Pakistan are welcome in Dubai. Not to forget that Mohsin Naqvi, who is the PCB chief, was in Dubai over the weekend. He held a meeting with the Emirates Cricket Board chief as well, which of course sparked more further speculations that there were discussions held for the organization of matches, of certain matches, and particularly India's matches, India versus Pakistan, and other fixtures that feature India. And if India goes on to qualify for the semi-finals and the finals, then they will also be moved out of Pakistan, UAE being one of the front runners as far as the venue for India is concerned.
Yes, stay with me, Rakshita, because I want to play out what Harbhajan Singh said to Republic TV once again. That's the view of most Indians. Harbhajan Singh echoing what Pakistan should be doing vis-a-vis India's participation. I'd like to play that out. It's an interview to Republic Sport Fit this evening.
So what's your take on Champions Trophy? Is Pakistan not agreeing on the hybrid model?
Well, I think एग्री कर जाएंगे. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि वो एग्री नहीं करेंगे. बट क्रिकेट में देखिए, इंडिया पाकिस्तान के मैचेस वैसे ही नहीं होते हैं, तो इसमें थोड़ा सा ईगो को साइड रख के क्रिकेट को आगे बढ़ने देना चाहिए. हाइब्रिड मॉडल पे खेलिए, क्रिकेट जो है वो आगे बढ़े.
So what's your take on Champions Trophy? Is Pakistan not agreeing on the hybrid model?
Well, I think एग्री कर जाएंगे. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि वो एग्री नहीं करेंगे. बट क्रिकेट में देखिए, इंडिया पाकिस्तान के मैचेस वैसे ही नहीं होते हैं, तो इसमें थोड़ा सा ईगो को साइड रख के क्रिकेट को आगे बढ़ने देना चाहिए. हाइब्रिड मॉडल पे खेलिए, क्रिकेट जो है वो आगे बढ़े.
Yeah. Now, do we have the full details of the modalities worked out? We had a statement also come in by the UAE, right, Rakshita, today. UAE has, of course, agreed. Now, Is that correct? They've agreed to host these matches?
Yes,
Short notice?
they have welcomed it. There's again no official announcement. The ambassador, the UAE ambassador to India, say that we welcome both India and Pakistan. We of course welcome the business of cricket. And remember, even we have seen in the past many tournaments have been played in UAE, including the IPL that is organised by the BCC completely. So yes, UAE will be a venue. That is one of the most prominent options that is coming in. The front runners in the options, if you talk about the India matches, and especially the semi-finals and finals if India qualifies. And also remember that Pakistan cannot afford to reject the hybrid model, because it can suffer at least $65 million as big as that amount. And we all know how cash-strapped the Pakistan Cricket Board is, how Pakistan is, and we do know that they cannot afford to take that risk. If it rejects the hybrid model, then entire tournament can be moved out of Pakistan, and Pakistan might just face the ICC penalties. Now, even if there's a hybrid model, well, there will be the sponsorship, I beg your pardon, the rights remain with Pakistan, the hosting rights remain with Pakistan. Yes, there will be some amount of losses that might occur, and UAE will be standing to benefit from that. And, you know, the delaying tactics, Pakistan showing adamancy over that, was somewhere seen as, Pakistan tried to bargain more incentives from ICC, so as to show that they are miffed with this model. They never wanted anyone to play outside Pakistan, and now, just to placate them, ICC needs to give them more incentive financially. That's what Pakistan has been trying to do. That is one of the tactics that it has been playing. But in the end, we do know it doesn't even matter. India matches will not happen in Pakistan.